We were called to this murder scene to analyze a DNA fingerprint in hopes to find the murderer. We have a witness and 4 suspects to compare with the fingerprint left on the scene. And in order for us to find a match for the fingerprint, the suspect must be an exact match at both loci. So first, let's look at locus 1. We're looking for an individual that matches the fingerprint that was found on the scene. Right away, the witness can be eliminated because it does not match up with the fingerprint. Suspect 1 has one allele that's shared with the fingerprint left on the scene, but suspect 1 can be eliminated because both of the alleles do not match the one left on the scene. Suspect 2 is a match for the fingerprint left on the scene, and suspect 3 is not a match because, once again, it does not match the fingerprint left on the scene, and suspect 4 is a match. After looking at locus 1, we know that suspect 2 and suspect 4 are the only ones left in the running for this being their fingerprint because they were the only 2 that were an exact match at locus 1. However, now we have to look at locus 2 to see which one of these suspects can now be eliminated. So the witness is an exact match with the fingerprint found at the scene for locus 2, but this doesn't really matter because the witness was already eliminated because they were not a match at locus 1. Suspect 1 is not a match with the fingerprint at locus 2. And suspect 2, which was a match for locus 1, is not a match with the fingerprint at locus 2, and therefore suspect 2 can be eliminated from the running. Suspect 3 is also not a match with the fingerprint. Suspect 4, which was a match at locus 1 with the fingerprint, is also a match with the fingerprint at locus 2, and thus this suspect is our murderer. One of our suspects is a biological parent of another suspect, and as we have learned, each parent provides one allele at a locus to their child. So in order for one of these suspects to be the biological parent of another, they need to share an allele at each locus. In this example, suspect 1 and suspect 2 are biologically related because, as you can see, at locus 1 they share this allele, and at locus 2 they share this allele.